This is your 2014 JAMB Physics Past Question, question 23. Question 23 says the melting point of a substance is equivalent to its A. Vapor pressure, B. Solidification temperature, C. Liquefaction temperature, and D. Solidification pressure. Remember, what is melting point? Melting point is the point at which a solid change its state to what? To liquid. And this melting is the same thing as liquefaction, because something is said to be liquefied when it changes its state from solid to what? To liquid. So from here, option A says vapor pressure, B says solidification temperature, C says liquefaction temperature. So our right answer is option what? Option C, which is liquefaction temperature.